So let's get a better understanding of angles. Here we see the figure CAB, and here is the vertex, and you see this colored areas, alpha is equal to 50 degrees. What this is saying is that the measure of this angle is 50 degrees. So we have the two arms of the angle. We have AB and we have AC. Now the angle is the measure of the amount of turn around the vertex. So if I move this arm towards this arm, look what happens. The amount of degrees changes. So you see that it becomes smaller and smaller. It's 25 now. So the angle becomes smaller as the arm AC gets closer to AB. So I bring it further and further, so it's now 19, 17 degrees, 14 degrees, 11 degrees, and so on. And when it's exactly overlined with C, it is equal to 0. So there is no turn around this point by the arm AC. If we move the arm AC, the degree or the size of the angle increases. Now notice what happens. Let's set the angle at 35 degrees. See, 35 degrees. Now this arm AC has a certain length and this arm AB has a certain length. Does the length affect the size of the angle? Let's see. Let's make AC longer. Make AC longer. So the length of the arm doesn't affect the size of the arm. It's only the degree of rotation around the vertex. When we move it towards AB. Likewise, the length of this arm does not affect the size of the angle if we change the length of the arm. See, we change the length of the arm. It doesn't affect the size of the angle, only if we move either arms. If we move this arm, the size of the angle changes. Now what happens? Let's shorten this arm now. See, it's still 36 degrees. Now let's increase the rotation of the arm counterclockwise. Now this line, this arm AC is directly perpendicular to the line AB, and that shows 90 degrees. If we move the arm further counterclockwise, the angle increases, and so on. So it's important for you to get a good understanding. When it's a right angle, you see the shape changes like a square there. That indicates it's a right angle, 90 degrees. Now, a good understanding of angles, degrees of turn and arms and so on will help you in your work on constructing geometric shapes.